target niya, kanya hindi niya matamaan, he can't seem, sabi nga nila, he can't seem to pull the trigger.
Talagang merong alam si Tiger Woods na hindi natin alam.
But you know, again, this is... I don't think De La Hoya expected this kind of fight from Manny Pacquiao.
Hindi siya
Manny Pacquiao can actually take down the sky with those hot shots.
It's all connecting, left and right to the head of De La Hoya.
For him to go down to 145 when he's walking away to 160. He has no reflexes.
Wala activity. No, nothing. No, Oscar De La Hoya. It's been all Manny Pacquiao. And now, Manny Pacquiao being off. Dito po sa round number 5. A dominating performance.
Manny is establishing who he is in this fight. We did say he has to do something in the first 4 or 5 rounds to work De La Hoya, so De La Hoya will know the power of Manny Pacquiao, and he has done that since round number 1.
Alam mo, meron ko dapat sa dito. When Manny Pacquiao attacks the midsection, you see Oscar De La Hoya put a lot of emphasis on his sa tingin ko, nasasaktan ni Manny si Oscar. Watch out, Oscar is still there.
Yes, hawak ng kanan, ginagawa natin ang kaliwa. Ito po si Manny Pacquiao. Ang face is Manny Pacquiao. He has seen enough. Dito po sa mga laban na ganito. Hindi rin pa-apekto.
Well, that's just one highlight. Connecting with 3 shots to the head.
Hindi daya pa, nag-iipit.
At pag nag-reminder cannot take Oscar De La Hoya lightly.
Para sa
He's getting